Lucy here with IGN News. Ken Levine has opened up on his ill-fated BioShock game for the PlayStation Vita, revealing on Twitter he wishes he could still make the game and elaborating on his original vision. In a candid stream of tweets, Levine reiterated that the fate of the game was out of his hands. Publisher 2K and Sony couldn't put a deal together when I last checked. They seemed way more optimistic about this back in 2011. Wish I could do it myself, he continued, but lawyers and all that. I still love my Vita. When a Twitter user asked Levine what kind of a game Levine envisioned, he said he was thinking of a Final Fantasy Tactics-style thing set in a pre-fall Rapture. This matches his original claim that the game would be unique and have its own voice in the franchise. BioShock Vita was first teased at E3 2011 during Sony's press conference, when Levine referred to it as his pet project. In December 2012, it was revealed that the game was never even started. The project has since hung in dead space, and the closure of Irrational Games as we knew it seemed to be the final nail in its coffin. For more on Ken Levine and BioShock Vita, stick with IGN.